This morning I took delivery of a Microsoft Surface Go, and this is the unboxing video. This is the 128GB version with the Intel 4415Y processor and 8GB of RAM. So here's the device. It's 9.5 inches wide, 7 inches tall and 0.3 inches deep. On the rear of the device we have a 8 megapixel rear facing autofocus camera. On the right hand side we have a headphone jack, a USB-C port and a Surface Connect port. Along the top edge we have a power button and a volume switch. On the bottom edge we have the type cover connector. On the rear of the Surface Go you have a kickstand, and underneath that you have a micro SD card reader. On the front of the device you have a 5 megapixel front facing camera, a single microphone and 2-watt stereo speakers. So here we have the documentation. And here is the quick start guide. Here is the power adapter. It looks to have the same type of connector that's used in the Surface Pro 4. So here's a quick comparison between the Surface Go and the Surface Pro 4. Here is the type cover for the Surface Go. Unlike the type cover for the Surface Pro 4, this one does not appear to be backlit. Here's a quick comparison between the type cover for the Surface Pro 4 and the type cover for the Surface Go. To finish off, here are some videos to show off the quality of this display. So that was the unboxing of the Surface Go and its type cover. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching.